Hello everyone, and welcome to Swan Lake Lifestyle, your home for all things ballet, lifestyle, and self-improvement. Whether you're shopping for a beginner ballerina, a professional dancer, or just someone who loves all things dance, I've got you covered. And don't worry, everything I mentioned will be linked on my blog post at swanlakelifestyle.com for easy shopping. So go ahead and get cozy, grab yourself a warm drink, and let's dive into the list. With the holidays just around the corner, I thought it would be the perfect time to share some thoughtful gift ideas for the dancers in your life. And while these are great gifts for the holiday time, these are also amazing birthday gifts for all year round. First up, a personalized water bottle. This one is from my friend Sasha, who absolutely loves ballet. A custom water bottle is not only practical for class and rehearsals, but it's also a cute way to show that you put thought into the gift. I found this one on Amazon where you can add simple customizations like a name or design. And if you're short on time, dance-themed drinkware is another great option, like this adorable glass set with a nutcracker design that I picked up from Nordstrom Rack. It's perfect for the holiday season. And just a quick reminder that I will have a link below in the description box with all of these amazing gift ideas where you can easily shop and also get some great discounts. Next up on the list is ballet-themed makeup and accessories. So for the dancer who loves beauty and style, you should definitely check out these Swan Lake-themed palettes, hairbrushes, and mirrors from Flower Nose. Their collections are absolutely stunning, and they even have a Swan Ballet-inspired collection that features some really gorgeous swan motifs on hairbrushes, on mirrors, and even within the makeup of the beauty palettes themselves. It's so thoughtful and inspired, and I'm sure the beauty-loving dancer in your life would absolutely adore these. So if you want to try Flower Nose beauty products for yourself or as a gift, you can use my discount code SWANLAKE to save 5% off your order. Links in the discount code will be in the description box and on my blog. Now on to item number 3, which is thoughtful jewelry. If you want something truly special, consider dance-themed jewelry. This treble clef ballerina necklace was a gift from my boyfriend, and it's so meaningful to me because it combines my two passions, dance and music. For the dancer in your life, you could choose something like a ballerina charm necklace, point shoe bracelet, or anything that ties into their love for dance. Number 4 on our list would be silk hair scrunchies and a silk pillowcase from Mulberry Park Silks. Hair care is a big deal for dancers, and these silk scrunchies and pillowcase from Mulberry Park Silks are perfect for protecting stressed hair. We're constantly pulling our hair into tight buns and using tons of products, so silk helps reduce damage and breakage. This scrunchie pack is super handy, and the silk pillowcase is a dream to sleep on. Your dancer will thank you for this one for sure. If this gift is something that stands out to you, you can save 10% off your order from Mulberry Park Silks with the code SwanLakeLifestyle at checkout. Item number 5 is a backstage care package. So if your dancer has a big show coming up, why not create a backstage care package for them? You can include essentials like deodorant, hairspray, makeup wipes, false lashes, bobby pins, hair gel, everything they need to feel prepared and confident during long rehearsals or performances. To take your dancer care package above and beyond, you may also want to include some sort of body spray or fabric spray. This is the Egyptian Rose Fabric Refresher Spray from Laundry Sauce. Dancers go through a lot of laundry to keep their leotards and tights clean and fresh, so this spray helps keep everything smelling amazing and is perfect for freshening up between washes. If you'd like to purchase this as a gift or for yourself, you can get 15% off your order from Laundry Sauce with the code SwanLakeLifestyle at checkout. All of their scents smell so delicious, and they even have other products like candles, laundry pods, and more to explore. Regardless, this is a super thoughtful and practical gift that any dancer would appreciate. Next up on our list is a good luck charm. So this is kind of a fun and a little bit of a quirky and cost-effective gift for someone. I'd say that dancers often love small tokens for good luck, especially during big performances, and something like this makes a great personal and meaningful gift. So I highly recommend it, and I just think it's so fun and so cute. Item number 7 on our list would be leg warmers. So although it's currently the holiday season and you can see many people sporting adorable leg warmers to stay cozy during these colder months, leg warmers are something dancers use year-round. There are so many fun styles, fabrics, and patterns to choose from, and dancers like myself love being able to switch up our class attire with the pop of a fun leg warmer that is of course functional too. You can select between the stirrup type that has a piece of fabric that rests under the arch of the foot, or opt for a footless cut that rests below the ankle. Regardless, leg warmers will help keep the dancer in your life warmed up for whatever class or rehearsal brings their way. And item number 8 would be pretty much anything dance themed. So some examples here are dance themed stationery, books, and art. These are really fantastic gift ideas for dancers. I mean, just look at these adorable ballerina stickers. They're perfect for decorating notebooks or planners. And check out this ballet themed art piece my mom gave me. It's a shadow box with point shoes and affirmations. It's such a meaningful gift, especially for dancers celebrating a big performance. And this book here is actually one I wrote and published. It's called 10 Ballet Stories on Barnes & Noble. It's actually going out of print at the end of 2024 as I transition my publishing company, but I'll be relaunching it in the next year with a new edition. So definitely, if you're interested, sign up for my email list at swanlakelifestyle.com to stay updated on when the new edition is launched next year. And that's my list of thoughtful gift ideas for dancers. Let me know in the comments which gift idea was your favorite, or if you have any other suggestions. I'd love to hear about it. I hope this gave you some inspiration for what to get the ballerina or dance lover in your life, and don't forget to check the description box for my blog post on swanlakelifestyle.com for all the discounts and product links. If you're new here, my name is Olivia and I create videos all about beginner ballet, lifestyle, and self-improvement. I actually have a free beginner ballet playlist here on YouTube that teaches you how to dance ballet with no experience needed. So if you'd like to start learning how to dance yourself, then go ahead and click the playlist above or in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner ballet tips, lifestyle content, and fun ideas like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy holidays, everyone.